Spices, more than just ingredients in our food. They've built empires, shaped economies, and carried our culture for centuries. But today, some of them are vanishing, forgotten by modern kitchens, abandoned by changing climates, lost in the name of progress. This is not just a story about flavor. This is a story about what we're losing. Come with us into the forests, fields, and fading markets to uncover the extinct and endangered spices of India. Spices are more than just taste. They are seeds, roots, barks, and flowers, full of aroma, healing, and history. India's spice legacy goes back over 5,000 years. Kings and empires once traded in gold and silk for just a handful of Indian pepper. From Ayurveda to temple rituals, spices were sacred, used in medicine, food, and even war. And through centuries, they connected India to the world, shaping culture, commerce, and cuisine. But now, some of these spices are disappearing, and with them, a piece of our identity. Spices were once more than just ingredients. They were medicine, memory, and meaning. India's spice legacy isn't just history. It's a story of identity. But some of that story is fading. In the next part of this documentary, we'll discover the spices that are almost forgotten and ask, can we still save them? Join us in the next episode as we uncover the hidden stories of India's vanishing spices.